Today, guys, I'm giving you a tutorial of the Coinbase wallet. But before I do, disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes only. So let's get straight in. So guys, Coinbase is a lot like other wallets with a few differences. It's still one of the easiest places that you can buy and sell cryptocurrency, and you can get started in just a second. I'm going to show you the whole process of how you actually get started. All right, on their website you can see all the download buttons, that they get started buttons, but it's really nice, and you can see the insights of what it looks like just on the right here. It's a self-custodial wallet that gives you complete control of your crypto. This means that the private keys for your wallet are stored directly on your mobile phone and not a decentralized application. So first, guys, to create the account, okay, using the Coinbase app, simply download it, click the create free account button, okay, and from there you're going to put in your details, so your name, your last name, all these kind of things. We're going to blank this out for you and simply press create account. Then you're going to tick the box that says certify you are 18 years of age or older. Okay, once you've agreed to that, I'll take you to the email verification stage, where in your email you will get a link. You need to tap that to continue. Okay, once you've checked your inbox and it's done, all right, you need to verify your identity. So if you want to be trading crypto, if you want to completely get through the verification process, you need to add a payment method and confirm your identity. That's your KYC, know your client. Once you're inside, it looks like this. All right, super nice and user friendly to use. And once you've KYC'd, you get full benefits of this app. So guys, like it says on their help page, okay, you can do this for Android or iOS. Simply go through what I just showed you on there. Make sure you verify it. I would say verify your phone number. That gives you the two-step verification as well, which is fantastic. All right, you need 2FA because the last thing you want is somebody getting into your wallet. The payment methods is an important part. You can go on here and click if you're a US customer, UK, EU, Australian, Canadian, Singapore, all right, and go through the supported countries and get that help yourself. Now, guys, how to buy, sell, and convert it, okay? So inside your app, especially on the desktop, you need to sign in, get your ID verification sorted, and your payment method, like I've spoke about before. Make sure that's all done. Then you're going to click on the buy and sell at the top, all right? But what it's going to do is pop up with a message saying if you need help, if you haven't done the other things, to prompt you to do it. So please just get that done straight away. Then click the buy and sell button up at the top, okay? You can see that highlighted. Simply, it's going to go buy, sell, or convert. You choose whatever it is you're choosing, okay? They're pretty much all very similar with what you have to do. Simply type in the number you want to buy, okay? Say $40 and preview the buy. You choose the coins you want to, all right? Bitcoin with, and we're picking Chase here as our purchasing currency, okay? Use a one-time purchase, which is absolutely fine, or you can have a recurring purchase, all right? Preview the buy, and guys, this is very simple. Very similar to what you do when selling and converting, okay? Once you preview the buy, it's going to tell you about the fees, going to tell you exactly how much BTC is going to be sent, all right? And again, you can change that to invest weekly and cancel at any time, and just simply hit the buy now button, guys. It doesn't take long. It's simple. It's successfully purchased, and you can view it on the transaction if you would like to. So guys, last but not least, once you have the cryptocurrency, I want you to pay attention to this article right here, okay, on the help section, okay? If you're going to send it, you simply go to your dashboard, click send, receive, and pay. Then on the send tab, enter the amount you would like to do. Like I showed you with buying, pretty much the same, and press pay with, click continue, and then you're going to go through, all right? The Coinbase mobile app is pretty much the same, but what we're going to do is do your own research and go into this article if you're having trouble. Guys, I love this app in general. I hope this video does help you, all right? If you're trying to manage your portfolio, set up recurring buys, have your vault protection, or just get it on Android or iOS, this is definitely the one I do recommend. Purely with the trust, because it's got secure storage, like it says here. They store the vast majority of digital assets. It's got protected by insurance and digital best practice, guys. Coinbase, for me, is a winner. There you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Please do me a massive favor and let me know if you did in the comments. And hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified. And I'll see you next time.